Congratulations on your 30 years of growth and excellence, our friends and colleagues in KPMG Vietnam and Cambodia. We wish you continued success in making the difference.
Wow. Congratulations on 30 incredible years KPMG in Vietnam and Cambodia. We are very proud of your journey and inspired by your success.
Congratulations on 30th anniversary. I wish you continued success and many more achievements in the future.
Congratulations to KPMG Vietnam and Cambodia on your 30th anniversary. KPMG Taiwan is proud to celebrate this remarkable milestone with you and wish you continued success. Happy anniversary!
From KPMG Philippines to KPMG Vietnam, congratulations on your 30th anniversary. I wish you all the best in the years to come.
Congratulations to KPMG in Vietnam and Cambodia on your 30th anniversary.
Happy 30th birthday to KPMG in Vietnam and Cambodia.
Congratulations on your 30th anniversary. We're really proud of all the work that you've done, getting to 2,000 people and 53% of your partners being female is an amazing feat. And for being named the best company to work for. Thank you so much for all your efforts, and we look forward to working together into the future.
Happy 30th anniversary to all our colleagues with KPMG in Vietnam and Cambodia. It's a remarkable milestone, 30 years of excellence, collaboration, growth, and partnership. This anniversary is also not just a reflection of our past, but it's a testament to our commitment to the future. In closing, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each of you. Your hard work, dedication, and passion have made KPMG what it is today.
Hi everyone, Xin Chao. I wish I was there with you, not just because you're in Vietnam, but because you're celebrating in the tremendous Independence Palace in Ho Chi Minh City. What a place. A much more youthful work. Well, he gave me a tour of that palace, Yurian, about 20 years ago, and it's incredible to be in a place with such historical significance, and I hope you truly have a fantastic time. I just want to say a huge thanks to our clients and our partners there tonight. Our relationship with each and every one of you is a very precious thing. We're very, very proud to have been part of your journey in Vietnam and Cambodia for the last 30 years, and all of us at KPMG look forward to many, many more years of success ahead. So have a great evening, and thanks so much again.